Alright, so we got our engine hoist today. Finally came in the mail. This one was a bit of a pain in the ass to get, as your Lordcos and stuff do not normally stock it. But we're hoping this is going to be the world's best engine crane. Engine hoist. Even came with little stoppers for the ends. Knife. We'll open all this shit up. What makes this one special and a pain to get is the fact it has a knife in here. That this one has a twin piston hydraulic action. Well, not twin piston, but I guess twin ram or whatever they want to call it, so that you are always going up, even on the down and the upstroke on the rod. So I'll show you when we get to it. Chains. So this fucking caster is on all wheels, so this bitch can roll sideways even on our floor. It's got the fun pin, so you can just drop it down. It goes right in. This is going to be good. Countersunk fasteners. Got the brake rotors. This job. Alrighty. We are cooking with gasoline. Fuck yeah. Fourth strap. That's not finished. Here it is. Part that makes this one special. Look at that. Super up action. Alright. Standard sliding beam. Our fucking awesome legs. Swivel. I like it so. Ready to drop right on your unprotected feet. So, we will assemble.
sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed and we felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was full of dreams. It made you feel extreme. Give me a sign if you keep it in mind. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. We knew we'd be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now everybody's on their own. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, and maybe you would notice me. Then our eyes would meet. I would feel my heart beat when you looked and smiled at me. Back then our love was so strong. We wanted this to go on, but now it's only a pleasant memory. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, but you would not even notice me. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. We knew we'd be forever young. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I knew that love would never die. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too.
We're gonna keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So much attention. And when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun.
Well, fucking ta-da. Well, that was 34 minutes. Very good. Oh, look at that. Just fucking rising. Like the sun over Kilimanjaro. Erotic. So, there should be a lot of weird backwards rake on those. Oh, we're missing a handle, that's what. Yeah, that's what the 4 bolts are for. Is for the push fucking handle. Oh, I've got those on backwards. I need to move that to the other pin. Right. Alright. Yeah, no, I'm supposed to have a fucking handle. So it fell out in the car. See a torque wrench, hand sanitizer, some vacuum tube. Yeah, I think we're missing it. Fuck indeed, unless it fell down here somewhere. Oh, don't look in there. See nothing but rust in there. Nothing in there. I don't think there was anything in this box. Yeah, no. Yeah, we're missing the little handle to push it around. We'll have to make one. Granted, out of things to miss, or go missing, this is probably the best one of them all. It's really not that big of a deal. True. Yeah, no, that was the biggest fear, or like one of the legs wasn't going to be. Because the box did come broken off the Purelator truck. Well, whatever, you know. Well, there you go. Missing some stuff. And I got to put the pins in the other one. But overall, I'd say this is one of the better engine cranes you can buy. Because of the twin piston and the 4 spinning casters when the legs are down. Due to confined space. We've been doing the old put a pipe underneath, pry the fucking legs over to move it. Which is super sketchy. Oh. And it's got these. Extra professional looking end caps. So shit doesn't go in it. Oh, even comes with one for that. Fucking classy. So, when the bolts fall out, because of our rattling floor, they'll stay inside the tubes. So you can just rattle them out. But I put the bolts facing up because I was worried they were going to hit the caster wheels, so they'll just fall on the ground and disappear. And the whole thing will just collapse over. Alright. See you guys later.